Hello friends, our today's activity is learning to draw simple human figures. In the previous class, we have learned how to draw front-facing human figures with different poses. We will apply the same technique. We will start drawing with shapes. An oval shape for the head, arms. I'm drawing a front pose, arm, this becomes the body. Now different leg positions and arm positions. So this is just a rough sketch. Now we'll start giving finishing to this rough sketch of a human figure. So we'll start with the head. We'll draw a cap. You can erase the extra lines so that you can see how it is coming. That's why the first rough sketch that we drew, we always draw with very light pencil strokes. Eyes. Now you can see that I've drawn a winter cap. So I'll add some details for the winter cap. The nose and a smiling mouth. Since the figure is wearing a winter cap, we'll show winter clothes. So this is the muffler. We'll just draw a oval shape. We'll just draw an oval shape. This becomes the muffler. Then we'll start with the arms. Tapering towards the end. We are showing gloves. Pockets to the coat. Now comes the pant. One feet is going backwards. So we'll draw some skis. So this will give this effect that this boy is skiing. So this is the front pose. See, the face is in the front. So this is the front view of a human figure.